Today I'll show you how to make this delicious pork in a saucy pineapple juice. Let's get started. Let's season our pork with black pepper, minced garlic, soy sauce. I'm using DOLE pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice. Mix it nicely and let this marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes is okay. After 30 to 40 minutes, let's separate the juice of our marinade. Let's heat our oil and fry our potato. Just quick. And our carrots. Let's quick fry. 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's set this aside. Using the same pan, we're going to saute our onions. Now let's add our pork. Until the color changes or brown up a little bit. Now we can add back our marinade juice that we set aside before. Let's cover and cook this for about 25 minutes. Let's add our potato and carrots that we set aside before. Our green peas. Our tomato sauce. And a teaspoon of fish sauce. Let's mix them nicely. Mix. Let's cover and cook this for another 7 to 10 minutes. Wow. This is it. It's very simple and yummy. I hope you like and enjoy this video. Have a great day and until next time.